Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This updated video today is going to show you some WWE 2K26 locker codes. And these are the best codes, guys. You can actually get a master locker code, and that is going to unlock everything in WWE 2K26. Before I get into it, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm actually doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving tons of gift cards for all of the consoles, so Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, and to enter you just simply like and subscribe. But anyway, this video is focusing on WWE 2K26 locker codes. Like I said, this is going to unlock everything, so let's get into it. What you're going to want to do is basically just use your mobile phone to get your locker code. So I'm using an iPhone with Safari browser, but you can do whatever combination. Just make sure you do use your mobile device, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it in like this. You can copy it down, Crash Coupons, and if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you straight to this site here. And what you need to look for, guys, is the WWE 2K26 locker code. So I'm just going to use the search bar and search for WWE 2K26. And there is a page here. There is only a couple of different codes, and one of them is going to get you the game if you don't have it. But if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you already have a copy of the game. So yeah, this one, WWE 2K26, unlock everything. So this is a master locker code. So this is basically a secret code that you can enter, and it's going to unlock everything in the game. Now, I must say, guys, use this at your own peril, because I used it quite early on and it pretty much ruined the game for me, because there wasn't anything to unlock, because I basically used this code to unlock everything. But yeah, if you want to do it, you can carry on through this video. So yeah, what you're going to want to do is unlock your 2K26 WWE code. And this is because they're limited, and it stops people getting more than one of these limited codes. So click on this button, and you're going to see a new page here that tells you how to go ahead and unlock your code. So you're going to have a list of tasks, and these tasks are completely free. And what you need to do is complete 2 of them. So as you can read there, it tells you what to do. And you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each of the tasks. So these are really simple things like downloading, installing mobile apps and running them for a certain period of time. You may see mobile games where you just play them until certain levels. Surveys are really easy as well. So there's a free survey such as this one. I'll just show you this one quick. I did this one earlier and it's really easy. So you just answer a question and input some valid information. It's 100% free. So yeah, just follow through the steps there. And yeah, so just complete 2 of them. There is also a chat box here, so I think it's like an AI chat, but yeah, if you get stuck, you can ask it questions and it'll help you out. But just fully complete 2 tasks and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your WWE 2K26 locker code will be shown, and you redeem it in game and it's going to unlock everything. So yeah, really easy. That's the fastest method to unlock everything in WWE. So go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Pretty simple. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like I said, I am going to give away tons of gift cards, so you're definitely not going to want to miss out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.